creating a stunning look with OSiS all-new products by Schwarzkopf Professional. I'm going to use clip-in extensions and I'll hide some lower hair in braids secured with OSiS soft dust powder and flex wax. Perfect base for clip-in. For the rest of the hair, I'm using OSiS Freeze hairspray and apply it before teasing on the clip-in extensions placement. Following the application of OSiS Flatliner Heat Protection Spray, the curling process begins. Using a flat iron, I effortlessly create curls in various directions for a relaxed and natural look. To add more texture and volume, I'm using OSiS Volume Up Spray. Section by section, I'll curl in different directions, away from the face, towards the face, and finish with a soft movement on the ends. After curling, I enhance the style with OSiS Glow Serum. Manipulating the texture with fingers adds a creative touch. For an airy and natural look, a blow dryer on low speed and temperature can be used to open curls. OSiS Flex Wax is applied for detailing and emphasizing texture. Various styling options are available, and for a softer look, I brush all hair with a boar bristle paddle brush. I love using OSiS products in my work. They give me so much freedom to create amazing styles.